Now, what is the international and the national level status in this field, quantum computing? In the year 2025, in the entire world, they have invested 44.5 billion amount for the development of quantum technology. In this amount, 44.5 billion, China has invested 15 billion amount for the development of quantum technology. That means 33% is invested by China. So it is a huge amount invested by this country, China, for the development of quantum. And the second to China, US has invested 7.7 billion amount. And US has also formed a US National Quantum Initiative for the development of quantum computing. Followed by that, you have all the European countries joined together and they have formed the European Quantum Flagship, for which they have invested 1.1 billion rupees. Other than that, individually, all the European countries, Spain has invested 67 million, France has invested 2.2 billion, Switzerland has invested 11 million, Italy has invested 239 million, etc. And India has invested 735 million rupees for developing quantum computing technologies. Like this, many countries have invested totally 44.5 billion amount for developing the quantum computing. And these are all the applications of quantum computing. Quantum computing is used in cryptography and cybersecurity, optimization problems, drug discovery and molecular simulation, and also it is used in AI and machine learning. There are three types of quantum technologies. First type is quantum sensing, and the second one is quantum communication, third one is quantum computing. Quantum technology is divided into three categories. Quantum sensing means it detects minute moments. So quantum sensors are used for detecting minute moments and changes in the electromagnetic fields that enables highly precise measurements. There are a lot of quantum sensors, and many countries they are developing their own quantum sensors. In India, we are developing electromagnetic sensor, gradiometer sensors. So many sensors are developed by DRDO, and it is used for medical imaging, positioning and navigation, and enhanced radar. Quantum communication, it is another type of quantum technology. It is used for securely transmitting the data from one place to another place, where we need to think about quantum key distribution. QKD plays a vital role in quantum communication. And third part of quantum technology is quantum computing. Quantum computing is the place where quantum mechanics is used for solving large problems. So that is also another type of quantum technology. And these are all some of the quantum sensors. So the above level, those the normal sensors which are used for various applications. You have some sensors for vision system, and you have some sensors for Wi-Fi, cellular. These are all the sensors which are used in classical computing. And we have a odometer. It is a sensor which is used in transportation system. And you have a vision sensor which is used for observing the events in public safety. Instead of using these many sensors in quantum computing, two sensors are enough which are shown below. One sensor is inertial sensors or data fusion. It is equivalent to all the sensors mentioned above. And the second sensor is precision clocks. And quantum technology can also be used in battlefield. In future, quantum technology can be used in battlefield. So quantum warfare consists of three types, what we discussed before. One is quantum communication, then another one is quantum sensor. So the below one shows the quantum sensor, quantum sensors will be used in the air to find what are all the things that are happening inside the earth. And the observed things will be transmitted to quantum computing applications through quantum communication. So quantum sensor is in the below level and the quantum computing is in the above level. In between quantum computing application and the quantum sensors will have quantum communication. So these three technologies can be combined together and it can be used in quantum warfare. Quantum computers can be used in quantum warfare to break the encryption algorithms in order to perform cyber attack in the field quantum warfare. And this is the investment into quantum secure communication. So this shows that China is leading than other countries. First one is in the year 2024, Europe has implemented QKD for 1,707 kilometers. The quantum key distribution was implemented successfully by Europe in the year 2024, but now China has implemented it for 2,000 kilometers. I will show you in the next slide. And the second question, in the year 2023, China has implemented QKD for 1,000 kilometers, and 2022 China implemented QKD for 830 kilometers. Like that, many countries have done a lot of research in the field of quantum key distribution, and India has done QKD for 380 kilometers in the year 2023. Other than that, globally, quantum computing market that consists of hardware, software, services. For hardware, lot of money is invested. In overall, in the year 2025, we have invested 102 US billion rupees, US billion in the year 2025, in which 50 billion amount is invested for quantum hardware and another 10 billion is invested for quantum software and another 10 billion is invested for hardware. It is predicted that in the year 2032, 460 billion US dollars will be invested for quantum computing, in which it is predicted that